Hello, this is Josh from Car. Today we're going to be looking at fitting deflectors to your vehicle. So we've got some Heko deflectors and we're going to be fitting it to a Peugeot 208. So first of all, you need to clean out the ingress of your window channel. Make sure any contaminants are removed from the seal. Next, take the deflector. As you notice, you've got some yellow strips on the ends. These are there because they have an adhesive backing, and they'll be there to stick the deflector to the seal. So we're going to remove these, and then we're going to fit them to the vehicle. So first of all, you want to slot channel down there, and then you're going to bend it in at the top, so it looks like that. After this, you're going to push the deflector down and slot it onto the window channel, like so. You may need to keep adjusting it. Because of the adhesive at the bottom, you want to make sure that's all pushed in, like so. Check the window. And there you go. So next you're going to use these metal clips. These metal clips are here to secure the deflector in place. You notice that there's a sharp edge to the metal clip. This goes into the inside of the vehicle. So you want this to go into the vehicle. Okay, I'm just going to sort it now. So take your clip and remember to keep the sharp edge to the inside of the vehicle. Place it onto the wedge, or a flat end screwdriver would be great. And you're going to be push that into the seal, like so. And that secures the clip and the deflector. Got another one. You want to put it up near to the edge, the other side. Again, push it to place. And there you go. Make sure the clips are all the way in, as the window can catch and cause some scratching on the top. So make sure it's all pushed all the way in, and make sure the deflector is now secure. So next we're going to do the rear doors. Similar to the front doors again. Pulling the strips off. I'm going to screw it in place. So push the top end first, and come at an angle so you can fit the whole deflector in place. Slowly move it up. And again, pull back the deflector so the adhesive strips stick to the seals. Now we're going to fit the clips. So take a flat edge screwdriver or like a piece of card or anything like that, and you're going to push the clips again into the channel. So there's one. And there's the other.